You will most frequently encounter the SFF extension as a Standard Flowgram Format file for DNA sequencing, or as a structured fax file. This format functions as either a high-resolution dataset for genetic research or a multi-page document container for high-speed digital faxing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are mapping the human genome or transmitting a business contract. For those complex SFF formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. In the field of bioinformatics, the SFF format was popularized by the Roche 454 sequencing platform. It stores the raw, flowgram data, the intensity of light signals captured during the sequencing process, which represents the order of nucleotides in a DNA sample. In the office technology sector, particularly in Germany and Europe, the extension is used by the CAPI, Common ISDN Application Programming Interface, standard to store incoming faxes in a compressed bitmap format that can hold multiple pages in a single file. Genomic SFF files are governed by a complex binary structure consisting of a global header followed by individual red entries that include the quality scores and flow intensity values for every base pair. Fax .SFF files follow the CCITT Group 3 or Group 4 compression protocols. They essentially act as a wrapper for raw G3, G4 fax data, adding a proprietary header that identifies the page count, resolution, and sender information to be interpreted by ISDN software. For viewing and interaction, SFF is most commonly opened via sff2fastq from Indranial DOS. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows can view some document content, but full revision features require specialized tools. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the SFF file and hit Open With. Test sff2fastq if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. If the SFF file won't open, don't panic. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, identifying the data source. Distinguish these by the software environment. If the file is located in a sequencing or genomics project folder and is quite large, MBs to GBs, it is a Roche 400x4 DNA file. If it is found in a faxes or CAPI directory and is smaller, KBs, it is a digital fax. You can verify a DNA file by opening it in a hex editor. You will see the .ff string in the first 4 bytes. Fax files often contain SFF in the header as well, but are typically associated with older communication software like Fritz Fax. Next, viewing and conversion. To analyze genetic data, you must use specialized tools like the Roche 454 off-instrument software, or convert it to the more modern .fastq format using a utility like sff2fastq. To view a digital fax, you need an SFF-compatible viewer like IrfanView or the original Fritz Fax software. Note that standard Windows Photo Viewer or modern browsers cannot open .sff files natively. They must be exported to TIFF or PDF if you need to share them with others. Finally, fixing parsing and compression errors. If a genomics tool fails to read the .sff file, the index at the end of the file may be corrupted. Using an SFF repair script can often rebuild the index from the raw flow data. For fax users, if a document appears as a stretched or unreadable black bar, the file was likely saved with a non-standard resolution like fine instead of standard. Forcing your viewer to ignore the header's DPI setting and use a fixed 200/200 DPI override often makes the text legible again. When every program rejects your SFF file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the SFF file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. Less troubleshooting, more productivity.